you just bought, you don't own the trees. And that is very, very clear before you buy the building. So if you want to prune or trim or cut the tree, you have to get a permit from the council to do so. Now if they catch you, if a neighbor reports you, you just chop a tree or prune a tree or something, you will get fined on the standard $500, non-negotiable. So it just pays to go and pay your $12 to get your permit. And they will send the professional tree fellas, they can come and prune the tree for you. And because today is Sunday, traffic is very light. A lot of people are going to church today. Some are still working, hard working like me. Well, someone's got to do it, and I enjoy doing it. This morning I was checking the weather forecast and it says it's going to be overcast and raining and the temperatures are going to be 24 degrees. And it's funny though because it's warm but it's raining and it's the first time that we have such weather in our summertime, which is, what is in America? Fall? The fall? Winter. Yeah, well this is our summer. And usually this time the sun is beating down, beautiful clear day, but not today. To your house. On my left you can see a big golf course there. We love our golf. And in this country, young people start playing golf from the ages of 5 upwards. Some of them, when they reach the age of about 16, 17, they decide to make it a career. Auckland stands between two waters. We just left the Waitemata Harbour where the boat is, where the ship is, and we're now approaching the Manukau Harbour. And Auckland sits right smack in the middle on the top of volcanic cones. But they're not active, except the one down in the middle of the North Island, which is called Ruapeho. That's an angry volcano. About every 5 to 10 years, it blows up its steam and covers up to nearly 200 kilometers away. This is one of the controversial projects that we had in Auckland, was building this tunnel. Because, like everything else in the world, I'd say, they had a budget of $60 million to start off, and the target was $120 million, but it ended up, blew its budget up to $214 million. So who's pocketing what? Transportation. We got a lot of buses. There's 7 bus companies in Auckland. I used to work for one of them for 20 years. I was a bus instructor and also a tutor. And we have trains that run constantly from one end, all the four corners. Where we just came from, where the big ship is, where your cruise ship is anchored, that is the main wharfs. We got 4 of those in the city, but we got 2 small little wharfs around here. And these are the wharfs that service the boats that go to the Pacific Islands and the little outskirt islands of New Zealand. So if you want to send a parcel to a friend, maybe in another island around New Zealand, you bring it over here to this small wharf where, or put it on the courier, and the couriers will bring it. Just on my right, you'll be in view very shortly. They've separated the two because there was a lot of stress and pressure on the infrastructure in the city. Plus, we need to accommodate the tourists, which is far more important than a student. Just for your information, that the piles of rocks that you see on your right, they stockpile them, but they are for the roads. They send them to the mill, and then they break it down and become very fine little stones for the roads, but they stockpile them there. They were transported from another part of the island